Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Are you dreaming of becoming a full-stack developer but confused about where to start? Do you want a complete program that covers everything from front-end to back-end and even deployment? Before we move into the topic, if you want the latest IT career updates, job vacancy requirement updates, make sure to subscribe to this channel. Follow, like, share, and click the bell icon. Now let's get into the topic. Then this full-stack developer combo course is exactly what you need. This powerful combo includes the most in-demand technologies in the industry today: JavaScript, React, Node.js, MongoDB, and DevOps Basics. Let's break it down. First, you'll master JavaScript, the foundation of modern web development. JavaScript is the language that powers interactive websites and web applications. Without JavaScript, there is no dynamic web. Next, you'll move to React, one of the most popular front-end libraries used by top companies worldwide. With React, you'll learn how to build fast, responsive, and modern user interfaces. You'll understand components, hooks, state management, routing, and real-time project development. Then comes Node.js, the powerful back-end runtime that allows you to build scalable server-side applications using JavaScript. With Node.js, you learn how to create APIs, manage authentication, handle requests and responses, and build real back-end systems. After that, you learn MongoDB, a NoSQL database used in modern web applications. You'll understand how to store, retrieve, update, and manage data efficiently. You'll also work with real-time database integration in full-stack projects. And that's not all. This combo also includes DevOps Basics. You learn how to deploy applications, manage servers, understand CI/CD pipelines, and host your applications on cloud platforms. Because building an application is only half the journey. Deploying it professionally is what makes you industry ready. This complete program runs for 20 weeks, giving you structured hands-on training with real-world projects. You won't just learn theory, you'll build real applications. You'll create a strong portfolio. You'll gain confidence to attend interviews. The actual value of this program is much higher, but you can enroll now for just 60,000 rupees and save 25,000 rupees with this combo offer. This course is best suited for aspiring full-stack developers, freshers, graduates, career switchers, and anyone who wants to enter the IT industry with strong practical skills. By the end of these 20 weeks, you'll be able to build complete web applications from scratch, design responsive front-end interfaces, develop powerful back-end APIs, connect databases, deploy live applications. Live interactive sessions, real-time learning with industry experts, hands-on projects, build portfolio-worthy projects, recorded sessions, lifetime access to course recordings, study materials, comprehensive notes and resources, certification, industry recognized completion certificate, job assistance, resume building, interview prep, placement support, doubt clearing, 24/7 support from mentors, flexible timings, weekend and weekday batches available, career guidance, one-on-one mentorship sessions, free retake, repeat the course once for free. And most importantly, you'll be job ready. If you're serious about building a career in full-stack development, this is your opportunity. Seats are limited. Don't wait. Invest in your future today. Enroll and start your journey towards becoming a professional full-stack developer. Your tech career starts here. Contact us now to reserve your seat. And don't forget, like, share, and subscribe for more tech learning updates.